It's Eric with Sprucehill Custom Homes and Renovations. It is Wednesday, November 22nd, and this is our project update for our Westlynn second story addition. We can see progress. We have the siding guys getting the building wrap on right now, which is exciting. This home is going to be waterproof by the end of this week. Let's go on through and have a look and see what's going on inside. We got the garage slab protected this week, maybe last week. And this is just our temporary storage. There'll be a garage door behind the camera right now. We'll make our way through here. I hope it comes through in all of our videos that as a general rule of thumb, we try to keep our sites pretty tidy. This is going to be a bifold door, which will look beautiful and allow a ton of natural light to come into the house once we're done here. We are now in the basement. We've got some shower parts here, a lot of our back framing done, ducting's all in, rough-ins are complete. So we're currently in the process this week of passing our rough-in inspections. We've got a great three-piece bathroom here, so when they come in from biking or soccer or anything like that, they can drop their gear back here, head off to the bathroom, and shower up. Come on through. Here we've got the bottom of the stairs. Not that exciting. Coming in through here, we've got great rec room with a ton of closet space over here. Lots of storage for these guys. We opted to provide these people with an additional subpanel here, which we think makes a lot of sense. This gives them basically unlimited future proofing because you can run whatever electrical you want to run through the crawl space back here. All right, let's go up to the main floor. Stairs are in, backing for the railing is in, good to go. Coming in through here, we've got all the kitchen roughed in, so we've got plugs on the counter. We, during our rough-ins, look and think about, okay, how much is this floor coming up? How tall are the cabinets going to be? How thick is the countertop? Where are those plugs going to be in the backsplash? And make sure that those look good. I mean, I know the designers, which we are in this particular case, think about that stuff when they're doing the design, but as the actual executors of the project, we have to see how we make that happen. Coming over here, this is a beautiful plywood door that will, in the near future, become a very nice triple panel bifold door. Through here, we've got all of our ducting in for the HVAC system, so all of this stuff is going up and getting heating and cooling to the upper floor. Got a great bay window. This is going to be an amazing space once it's all lit up and ready to go. Well, let's pop up to the next floor. Love these side splits. Another set of stairs. Coming up here, landing, bedroom, 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 bathroom. Bathroom has shower, little closet area here, toilet, double stick vanity, very nice when you have two kids. Heading up to the upper floor. So, nice and clean, ready to go. Office, gym, vaulted ceiling, smoke detectors, pot lights, it's all here. It's looking amazing. This is going to be a great space. Can't wait to see some insulation go in here and drywall. It's going to make this place feel completely different. We've got their walk-in closet here, and coming on through here, we've got wonderful bathroom, great shower, tub, toilet area over here, and vanity here. One thing that might be interesting for you is we decided here that we were going to eliminate a door that we had originally designed for this closet. Given what's going on in here and the amount of space, fitting a door in here was just going to take up a bunch of space that wasn't really necessary. And it just made sense to not have a closet door here. They can put one in later. There's still an opening here. It's not a big deal. But for the moment, we thought it made a lot of sense, and it's going to save them about $1,000. Anyways, that's our project update for our Westlynn renovation. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.